Hey guys, it's the Mind Detective, and today we're talking about 15 surprising things that guys find unattractive in girls. Now, I know what you're thinking, but guys are only interested in looks, and that's simply not true. While looks are definitely a factor in attraction, guys are also attracted to girls who are confident, intelligent, and have a good personality. So, what are some of the surprising things that guys find unattractive in girls? Here's a list. Poor hygiene. This is a no-brainer, but it's important to remember that guys are attracted to girls who take care of themselves. That means brushing your teeth, showering regularly, and wearing clean clothes. Excessive makeup. A little bit of makeup can be flattering, but too much can be overwhelming and off-putting. If you're not sure how much makeup to wear, it's always better to err on the side of caution. Revealing clothing. While there's nothing wrong with dressing confidently, dressing too provocatively can make guys feel uncomfortable, or like you're not taking yourself seriously. Being clingy or needy. Guys like girls who are independent and have their own lives. If you're constantly calling or texting him, or if you can't bear to be apart from him, it can be a major turnoff. Being negative or judgmental. Everyone has bad days, but if you're always complaining or putting others down, it will make guys want to avoid you. Talking too much. It's important to be able to hold a conversation, but talking too much can be annoying and overwhelming. Make sure to give him a chance to talk and get to know him as well. Interrupting. Interrupting is rude and disrespectful. It shows that you're not interested in what he has to say. Being rude. Being rude to him or to others will make him think that you're not a nice person. It's important to be polite and respectful to everyone, regardless of who they are. Smoking. Smoking is not only unhealthy, but it's also unattractive to many guys. If you smoke, it's a good idea to quit, or at least try to cut back. Drinking excessively. Drinking too much alcohol can make you look and act slutty. If you want to make a good impression on a guy, avoid drinking too much. Oversharing. It's important to be open and honest with a guy, but oversharing can be a big turnoff. If you're constantly telling him about your personal problems or your ex-boyfriends, it will make him think that you're not over them, or that you have too much emotional baggage. Being high maintenance. Guys like girls who are easygoing and low maintenance. If you're constantly demanding his attention or requiring special treatment, it will get old quickly. Having unrealistic expectations. It's important to have standards, but if your expectations are too high, it will be difficult to find someone who meets them. Be realistic about what you're looking for in a partner. Playing games. Playing games with a guy is immature and disrespectful. If you're not interested in him, be honest about it. Don't lead him on or waste his time. Being high-strung or anxious. Guys like girls who are relaxed and easy to be around. If you're constantly stressed out or anxious, it will make him feel uncomfortable. Being sarcastic. Sarcasm can be funny, but it's important to use it sparingly. Too much sarcasm can be hurtful and off-putting. Being critical. It's important to be able to give constructive feedback, but being constantly critical is a major turnoff. Guys like girls who are supportive and encouraging. Now, I know that some of these things may seem surprising, but it's important to remember that everyone is different, and what one guy finds attractive, another guy may find unattractive. So the best way to make a good impression on a guy is to be yourself, and to be true to who you are. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more relationship advice. And remember, everyone is beautiful in their own way. So don't try to change yourself to be what you think someone else wants you to be. Just be yourself, and the right guy will love you for who you are.